Open your browser and search for Ventoy download. Click the first link and download the zip file. It's only around 15 MB, so it won't take long. A 32 GB USB is recommended, so you can store multiple Windows ISO files. Once downloaded, open the folder, right-click the zip file and extract it. Now plug in your USB. Make sure it has no important data because Ventoy will format it. A 32 GB USB is recommended. Now right-click Ventoy to disk and choose Run as administrator. Select your USB from the device list and click Install. Confirm the messages and wait for it to finish. Your USB is now ready. Simply copy your Windows ISO files, like Windows 7, 8, or 10, directly into the USB. No setup required. Ventoy doesn't require any setup. Just drag and drop your ISO files into the USB, and it will handle everything. Let's test it. Restart the laptop and press F12 on Dell or Lenovo, or F9 on HP. Choose the USB from the boot menu. As you can see, Ventoy is working and showing all bootable ISOs. Select the version you want to install, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.